It's out of focus. Let me just, hold on.
It's too in focus. Gotta definitely, there we go. There we go. It looks like you haven't watched the camera for days.
I look like Mr. Burns in The Simpsons where he looks like an alien.
It looks like we're...
Come to the light.
It's like you're waking up somebody from a coma, and this is the first thing you see.
Ah!
Hi. You've been sleeping for very long.
Yes.
Come on down.
The
water's fine.
but I've only been out for 2 hours. Sir, it's been 2 years.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Oh, I've missed the trailer park. It's like being in Melbourne.
Oh, it's a new route.
Oh no.
No trespassing!
Oh. I guess we better get out of here. Did not tell you to mow that lawn.
My name is Reba and I'll be your tour guide tonight.
Cool.
This is my grandpa's house. He's pretty mean, but it'll work.
Leave me alone! Ever since I left the nursing home.
Well, you don't take your medicine, so it's not our fault.
Hey, I don't have to take medicine.
If you need to, you should.
Hey,
It's true.
you kicked me out of the nursing home because they thought I was crazy.
Oh,
They would kick me out there too.
Just because you gave me medicine.
wonder what would make them think he's crazy.
This is the lights out trailer. No lights allowed. They don't pay the bills. They don't get the lights.
Ah!
This way.
Did you touch the light switch?
I forgot to pay the bill. I'm sorry. It's my fault.
How did you pay my bill?
Welcome to the land of the 7 septics.
Oh, thank you. I just remembered. This is going to be very tricky.
Don't forget to lock the blade.
We'll see how good I am at bridges. Because
Grandma goes faster. Hey, you heard my plank?
Yes.
Yay, because you have no choice. Watch out
true.
for Billy. He likes fingers and toes.
okay. Thanks for the heads up.
Come on, my one-legged plank-legged grandma goes faster.
Ooh, it's
One-legged
moody.
grandma is 9,000 pounds.
Let's clear out just a little bit. Now it's time for the talent competition.
Oh Lord.
Oh, you've got your sea legs then, mate.
Oh gosh.
Did you meet me first, mate? Annoying, wasn't she? Time to meet Davy Jones.
Ah, yes. I always wanted to meet that guy.
Have fun!
Oh, okay. This is different.
Hi, I'm Scotty.
Have you taken a
Ah!
Hi, I'm Scotty.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Okay, Captain. It's not
She's following me.
It's not hot in Florida without laundry.
It's him. It's him. It's him. He always never showers.
Oh,
She
another new
knows.
addition.
She knows you. She knows you
Bret
so
forgot I
well.
have earplugs and I can't hear him. I'll hear it later. Oh, very sunny in
It's
here.
Treks
Hello.
and Fooms.
Here's some bubbles for your trouble.
You look very clean.
Harrigan.
stars in this person's economy.
Rock and roll!
Hey.
All right. This might be a bad idea to have brought this light.
Sir, I believe it's this way.
Well, I saw the brush. Nobody in the pool this year.
Come on, let's go faster.
Pay the bills. Man, I don't know what a bill is. What you talking about?
Well, you and Marissa better figure it out.
Oh man, I want a fishing
A
pole.
hole in the wall here. That's
Oh,
fancy.
you want them video cameras?
Yes, yes,
okay.
yes.
Yeah! Rock on!
My favorite Teletubby.
Okay.
Smell your ears? I'll give you free AirPods if I can smell your ears.
Oh.
Dave, it's been how many years and you still won't let him smell your ears?
Hey,
No, I got
Hey,
some baby pops.
I like your ears. Can I have a smell of your ears? I'll give you free AirPods if I can smell your ears.
Want free AirPods?
You can smell my earplugs.
Come on in the van. You want
No, I got some baby possums. You want to see some baby possums?
Yes. Where is baby possums? Need to see them.
No, I got some baby possums. You want to see some
Ooh, baby possums. Yeah.
Baby possums in a van. Yes.
No, I got some baby possums. You want to see
Of course I want to see some baby possums.
Why wouldn't I want to see baby possums?
Hello. Creepy. Okay. Oh, hello.
I never got that one. That's very better hurry. He's gonna get you.
Woohoo!
What's the dolls on the wall?
He's coming.
Dolls to the walls.
Drag you into the article clothing. It's hot in here. Let's go. Keep it moving.
Okay, it's I4. How did this become I4?
Nice. Oh, that's nice.
Okay. Hey, look, they have a dead horse too.
Oh, look, the screamer.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thanks for the tour.
Always great. And there's some great new additions this year. That was pretty
Yes,
cool.
yes, there was the foam, what do you call it? Suds? Treks and Foons?
Yeah, treats and foons. But they had some extra tents they didn't have last year too.
Yes, the dollhouse got better. Yeah.
The band wasn't better or worse. It was different though.
It was definitely, every single year that band gets a little bit better and better. I mean, then again, the first year we did it, they changed around a few of the people, which I don't know where they are this year. I wonder where they
I
are.
don't know.
So,
But that drum set from the first year is still there.
oh yeah.
But this one's actually playable.
Again, this is it gets better and better each year.